Welcome, my beautiful students. How are you today, girls? How are you? Okay, my lovely students, today we will finish Unit 6 and we will take together the activity book, Lesson 1, 2, 3, and 4. First of all, we will play together ask and answer game. Focus with me, please, girls. If I ask you, girls, what is the past of the verb go? Went, speak, spoke, drive, drove, do, did, speak, spoke, swim, swam, come, came, take, took, drive, drove, travel, traveled, play, played, pray, prayed. Then, girls, if I ask you, how many hands do we have in the clock? We have 2 hands, minute hand and hour hand. Then, if you want to ask about time, what can you say? You can say, what time is it or what is the time? Okay, girls? Now, as I told you, today we will take Unit 6, Lesson 1, 2, 3, and 4, page 22, 23, 24, 25 in our book, Better English Now, the activity book, كتاب النشاط. Okay, girls? We will start with page 22, girls. Complete the table. We have the verbs in the present and the verbs in the past. What is the past of keep? Kept. Read? Read. Come? Came. Drew in the past and draw in the present. Clean in the present and cleaned with ed in the past. Leave in the present and left in the past. Dry, dry in the present and dried in the past. Swim in the present and swam in the past. Taught in the past and in the present we have to say teach. So teach, taught. Make in the present and made in the past. Put in the present and put in the past. The same. Okay, girls? Easy? Now, exercise 2. Change into questions. As I told you before, we have to look for the verb in the sentence. If it's in the past, we have to use did. So, here, Sammy came home early yesterday. Here, where is the verb? The verb is came. Is it in the past? Yes, it is in the past. For this reason, we have to say did. Did what Sammy did. Sammy, what is the present from the verb came? The present is come. So, did Sammy come home early yesterday? Then question mark. Number 2. Mr. Hazem taught us mathematics last year. Taught in the past, right? What is the present? Teach. So, did Mr. Hazem teach you mathematics last year? We have to change us into you because we are talking to the girls, okay? Did Mr. Hazem teach you mathematics last year? Number 3. My sister bought a new car last month. The verb bought in the past, right? For this reason, we have to say, did your sister buy a new car last month? Did your sister buy a new car last month? Number 4. They boarded the ship at night. We have to say, here we have boarded in the past. For this reason, we have to say, did they board the ship at night? Number 5. We played football with our friend last Friday. So, girls, we have to change we into you. Focus with me. We have to change we into you. So, did you play football with your friend last Friday? Did you play? We can't say did you played. This is wrong. We have to say did you play? Number 6. The nurse worked until 12 o'clock midnight last night. Did the nurse work until 12 o'clock midnight last night? Work, not worked. Did the nurse work? We have to change the verb in the past into the present if we want to form a question, okay? He enjoyed the trip to the park yesterday afternoon. Did he enjoy the trip to the park yesterday afternoon? Did he enjoy the trip to the park yesterday afternoon? Then girls, fill in the blanks using tired, prepare, order, decided. Number 1. I worked for 5 hours yesterday and felt very tired. Number 2. I always my homework after lunch. I always prepare my homework after lunch. Number 3. We usually fish and chips when we go to a restaurant. We usually what? So we took the word tired and prepare. We have still order and decided. We usually order fish and chips when we go to a restaurant. Number 4. Our teacher to give us an exam. Our teacher decided to give us an exam. Then girls, we have ride, suddenly and receive. Number 5. My mother sometimes gives me a to school. My mother sometimes give me ride, suddenly or receive a ride to school. What about number 6? I was studying at home last night when I heard someone knocking on the door. So when I suddenly, فجأة, what do I mean by suddenly in Arabic, girls? فجأة, okay? Number 7, I usually 5 emails every day. I usually receive 5 emails every day, okay, girls? Now, here we have to open page number 28 in People's Book and look for the verbs in the present and in the past. Page 28 girls, in your People's Book. كتاب الطالب. Page 28. We have to look for the verbs in the present and in the past. Number 1, we have receive and receive. The passage starts with yesterday afternoon I received a phone call from my friend Hisham. He invited me to have lunch with him at his home, etc. Okay, now we have to complete looking for the verb. Okay, now here we have receive, received, invite, invited, give, gave, take, took, prepare, prepared, make, made, decide, decided, meet, met, walk, walked, feel, felt, go, went, order, ordered. Hey girls, you have to look for the verbs in your activity book, page 28, okay? Then answer the questions using did or didn't. Number 1, did Hind enjoy the picnic? Yes, she did. Number 2, did your school buy any new computers last year? No, they didn't. Did the policeman drive fast? No. Sorry girls, no he, not they, because the policeman. No, he didn't. No, he didn't. Number 4, did you watch a movie yesterday? No, I didn't. Then girls, did your sister get married last month? No, she didn't. Number 6, did your grandparents buy a new car? No, they didn't. 7, did the plane arrive on time? Yes, it did. Did the policeman call the ambulance? Yes, he did. Yes, he did. Okay, girls? Now write 10 sentences about what you did or where you went last Friday. Number 1, I got up at 5:30. 2, I prayed at Fajr. 3, I brushed my teeth. 4, I ate my breakfast. 5, I watched TV. 6, I prepared our lunch with my mom. 7, I played with my sisters. 8, I went to the mall. I went to here too. I went to the mall with my family. 9, I bought a new dress. 10, I went home at 7 o'clock. Okay, girls? Then, my lovely students, unscramble the sentences. We have I not exam sit for the did. I didn't sit for the exam. 2. Did they a house new build? Did they build a new house? 3. Yes, visited Doha we. Yes, we visited Doha. Number 4. No, we not late come did. No, we didn't come late. 5. The headmaster tomorrow holiday said that is a. The headmaster said that tomorrow is a holiday. 6. Did not pass test last the alien week. We have to arrange these words saying Ali didn't pass the test last week. Ali didn't pass the test last week. Then girls, complete using the correct form of the verb. We have buy, coast, be, and come. Girls, these verbs are in the present. We have to form these sentences using the past. Okay, Jamal told me that he bought a car. He said that its color was red. He told me it cost 50,000 and it came from Japan in 2000. Okay, girls? So, this is the end of my lesson today, girls. Thank you for listening and watching, and see you in my virtual class. And don't forget to answer all the questions in your activity book, because I will answer one by one in my virtual class. Goodbye, girls. Goodbye.